Hi, I'm here at International Armoured Vehicles 2019 with Janne Rakelainen from Patria. Could you talk to us a bit about the opportunities Patria will be looking around the world for in the upcoming years?
Yes, thank you. I think, let's say, today we do have a great opportunities around the world. The 8x8 market has been competitive, is still going to be competitive, but I think today we have good opportunities. We have at the moment 1,600 vehicles contracted. We have 7 user nations. The vehicles are being operated from the extreme cold conditions in Northern Hemisphere to the really the extreme hot conditions in Southern Hemisphere and everything between there. And the capabilities what we can offer to the customers against their needs, they are really good, and all comes with as a cost-efficient approach what we have.
So we seem to be reaching a point in the 8x8 market of almost saturation. So do you see the future for the 8x8 market being one of replenishment and upgrades, or do you see it as being something else?
I think there's a clear need in the future as well for the new equipment and as well capability improvements and upgrades of the current equipments. What has been discussed in this seminar as well several times, that the threats, they are emerging, they are new threats. At the same time, the focus has been a little bit moved to the homeland security, which again affects to the needs of the customers. So when the threat change, the need change, the equipment, they must be changed as well. And one thing what will happen most probably in the future, we are moving away from the traditional way of doing upgrades, meaning that we used to do it 2-3 midlife upgrades during the lifetime of the year of the vehicle being 30 to 50 years. But in the future we are more doing it as a continuous base, developing the capabilities, integrating the capabilities more on continuous basis. And that approach we have actually inbuilt in the Patria AMV vehicles and our new 6x6 vehicles. We do have the interchangeable design solutions, the capability solutions that can be implemented to new programs, new customers, but as well to the existing fleet of vehicles.
So the AMV XP, could you describe what it offers over previous members of the AMV family?
Yes, XP, very easily. Extra performance, extra payload, extra protection. So in all we have developed various capabilities, like that vehicle offering 32-ton cross-vehicle weight capacity with 15-ton payload. We have improved sustainment elements, how efficient it is to maintain and use. Suspension, driveline, engine, they have been developed with more power, for example. It's fully digitalized vehicle, compliant, the GVA, and so on and so on. But I think the beauty of our design and the whole approach is just the interchangeable design solutions. So actually those features, those capabilities can be utilized of our existing customers as well, which gives huge benefit for the customers in terms of efficiency, affordability, low risk, and as well the speed of the programs.
So I understand you've been testing an autonomous AMV 8x8. Could you describe the development process of that, please?
We have been focusing the autonomous operations or the unmanned teaming operations already many years. We feel that that's really one of the big things within the armored vehicles. So we want to be involved in that part as well. In our ideology and in our thinking, the vehicle must be operated as a normal one, or then as a remote controlled in short distance or long distance remote control, or autonomously. We have been doing a lot of own internal research, development, testing by our own funding, and as well together with the big amount of other industry companies specialized in this field. The testing continues, the development continues, together with even most probably some customers, but as well between the industry, and as well we are looking possibilities within the European nations defense fund programs. Could there be some further possibilities?
Thanks for speaking to us today.